What's up, everybody? It's Amrinder Singh. Today we will learn the most popular slang in Punjabi. And the good thing about this slang is everybody can use it because there are some slangs they are only popular between young people. Yeah, definitely older people use this slang less, but they still use it. But the people who are in their 40s or 30s, they use it a lot. So this slang name is cant. Cant means fantastic or awesome. So how can you use this slang in a sentence? For example, there's a really good car and you wanna say like this car is really good. In Punjabi, you would say a car bahut badiya, right? So instead of saying like a bahut badiya, you can say a car bahut cant, which means this car is awesome. Another example, a banda bahut cant. So it means he is awesome or that person is awesome. In another case, it could be a little bit different. For example, if I say Cristiano Ronaldo banda bahut cant, so here it didn't mean he is awesome in general. So basically here it means he is fantastic or he is awesome in his sport. So in general, we use cant slang for a person's personality. If somebody's personality is really good, he is awesome person, that time we say oh banda cant. All right. At the end again, cant means awesome, fantastic. It's very similar to Punjabi slang Sira. If you don't know what the meaning of Sira, how we use it in slang, you can watch my another video. Video is in the description. Although both slangs are very similar, but Sira slang is the strongest one. That's why we choose Sira slang less compared to Kant slang. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the lesson. I'll be back with another lesson in another day.